You know I like to take super long trips on all types of transport, but one of the biggest issues I have, whether it's my daily commute or an overnight bus ride, is the climate. You see, in some places I'll be travelling on a 40-degree day, and there'll be no aircon. Well, that's where the Ranvoo AICE3 comes in. This is a portable air conditioner, and it fits right around your neck. In the box you'll find all the relevant instructions and information, as well as a little pouch. And of course, there's the AICE3 themselves. Also included is the desk stand and a USB cable. The AICE3 offers instant cooling up to 22 degrees. And with 6 sensors, it adjusts the temperature, wind speed and mode based on things like your heart rate and blood oxygen levels. The AICE3 is super quiet, which is great for working at a desk or where your regular air conditioner doesn't quite reach. It can even be used while charging. And one awesome feature is the desk stand. Pop the AICE3s on the desk stand and you have a mini aircon right at your desk. You can also connect your AICE3s via Bluetooth to your phone and use the easy to use app to be able to instantly control your AICE3s at the tip of your fingers. We all know how good they are inside the office, so I'm heading out to see how they stack up in everyday use. As you can see, they not only look good, but they feel good. And in the shade in the station, it's still icy cold as I'm waiting here for my train. One of the problems I find the most travelling on trains is not the lack of air conditioning. In some places, it's the sub-zero temperatures they set them to. This seems like a good chance to try out the heat mode. The AICE3s heat up quite nice, and the heated plates on the back make it feel like I'm wearing an electric scarf. In fact, I had a stiff neck the next day, and this worked great as a heat pack too. But the real test will be walking in the direct sunlight with them. And what better place to do that than walk across the Sydney Harbour Bridge. Even in the direct sunlight they held up well. And while they struggled to get down to 16 degrees in the heat, they held at 22 degrees comfortably. In fact, I had them off for a little, and I was surprised by how much difference there was. I was sweating with them off. The most noticeable thing is probably the plates at the back, cold against your neck. And while the air isn't as cold, the air circulation means you aren't struggling to breathe as much in the hot Sydney sun. The conclusion is the AICE3s are a great addition, whether you're sitting in your office or out and about walking in the sun. To get your hands on some and to also get $80 off, all you need to do is head to us.ranvoo.com/JoshGoSlow. You can also buy them off Amazon by clicking the unique link in the description. I'll be taking these everywhere I go from now on, and I think you should too.